Hi, Christy here with Killarney Metals. Take your home spill containment to a whole new level with our new leak alert device. Killarney Metals drip and drain pans are excellent tools in the fight against water damage and mold development in your home. Now you can add LAD, the leak alert device, and be notified with an alert whenever your appliance develops a leak into your water containment pan. The LAD will continuously monitor your system for the presence of water. If water is sensed, LAD will send a notice electronically to your smartphone to make you aware of any problems. The device is simple to install and easy to use with its own operations app called Tuya Smart that can be downloaded from the Apple App Store and Google Play. This is leak protection that works smarter, not harder. Protect and alert at every water supply with the leak alert device. From washing machine pans to hot water heater pans to ice maker pans to under sink pans and more. Now be warned of a leak or spill from your home appliance, making it immediately manageable. Add the innovative and cost-effective LAD to a quality containment pan from Killarney Metals, creating a full and complete system to protect your valuable home investment. For more product information and Made in the USA spill containment innovation from Killarney Metals, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit killarneymetals.com. Stay safe, and we will see you next time.